Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Acura TLX A-Spec package with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com, stock number 300018.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.